Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the Morley Minto reforms 1909. The British government announced Morley Minto reforms to pacify or to calm the moderates. According to this act, the membership of the central and provincial legislative council was enlarged. However, the number of elected members in this council was less than half of their total membership. But this reform did not pay heed to the demand of Indians for Swaraj. According to Morley Minto reforms, Muslims were granted separate electorate or representation. Means some seats in the councils were reserved for Muslims to be elected by only Muslim voters. This is known as separate electorate. This was meant to create disunity between Hindus and Muslims. My dear student, to weaken the nationalist movement, the British began to consistently follow a policy of promoting communalism in India. But moderates opposed Morley Minto reforms. And struggle for Swaraj became more intense. Next topic is Home Rule League. In 1916, an Irish lady, Mrs. Annie Besant, established the Home Rule League in Madras, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak established it in Maharashtra. Keep in mind, Mrs. Annie Besant established Home Rule League in Madras, and Bal Gangadhar established Home Rule League in Maharashtra in 1916. The aim of the Home Rule movement was the attainment of home rule or a dominion status for India under the British Empire. What do you mean by the dominion status? Dominion status means that the Indian government would be free to manage its own affair, but it will have to accept the British sovereignty in managing its foreign policy. Next topic is Lucknow Pact in 1916. Lucknow Pact in 1916. The Lucknow Pact 1916 was special in many respects. Firstly, this session brought the moderates and radicals in Congress on common platform. Again, after nearly a decade, means in 1916, the moderates and radicals reunited to strengthen the national movement after 9 years. As I told you, in Surat splits or Surat session in 1907, there was a split in the party, in the Congress, and the two groups parted ways, moderates and radicals. In 1907, after 9 years, in 1916, in Lucknow Pact at Lucknow, the moderates and radicals reunited after 9 years. And the next special thing, that the Congress and Muslim League both signed a joint pact at Lucknow and demanded self-rule for India. Means again, the Congress leaders and leaders of Muslim League reunited and signed a joint pact for self-rule in India. So I hope you all understood about the Morley Minto reforms in 1909, Home Rule League in 1916, and Lucknow Pact in 1916. Thank you and have a nice day.